Hi guys, let's make my mind together. So yeah, I've washed my beans, cleaned the beans, and next to my beans, I have my pepper, bell pepper, shombo, rodo, and onions, ready to blend the beans and the pepper together. A really good mix. And after that, I have my blended beans here. I already added my seasoning and the salt. What else do we have there? Okay, I have the fish and the egg that I'm going to add to my moimoi. My moimoi is going to be, I don't know the clue about this oil, but I know my mom will say add hot oil to your moimoi, and there's this sound it makes when you add it to this mix. It does this shh, but I like that sound anyway. So yeah, I've added the oil and I'm trying to give it a good mix, but because I was holding my phone I couldn't mix it well, so I had to drop my phone to mix it properly. And I have this lovely pouch for the moimoi. So my moimoi is already in the pouch with all the mede and is ready to cook. So I had it water ready and covered the mermaid to cook for how many minutes did I check? I was sure I check in Trisha. And when my mermaid is ready to devour, my mermaid came out nice. Thanks guys.